Breaking news, the Amazon Fire devices have just added thousands of new apps. I'm going to show you in today's video where you can find them. Let's go. All right, so we're going to start off right here on the home screen on the Fire TV device. So where do you find them? Well, it's actually, the majority of the great apps are actually right here in the Amazon App Store. So how do you find those new apps? Well, you go to find, you go down to App Store. Now there's so much here, so much to find, recommended, free games, TV shows, movies, all this. Go to App Store. This is where you're going to find the latest apps. Now, they always do recommendations. You've got your featured content, you've got games, you've got categories. Go to categories. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to search for a category that interests you. So for me, it's going to be movies and TV. So this is the area that I am most interested in. So this is the category that I'm going to look for the latest apps. So how do I find those? Well, let's click on it. First thing you're going to notice is the apps that everybody has. The ones that have hot buttons on your remotes are ones that you already have on your Fire TV stick. And that's because they pay Amazon all this money to be one of the first apps on here. Well, how do you find the newest ones? It's really simple, actually. And you're probably going to laugh at me if you've been using the Fire Stick for a long time that I'm even bringing this up. But it's at the bottom. So the newest apps will be at the bottom. So just hold the remote down like I'm doing right here until you get to the very, very bottom. The very bottom is where they put those apps. Now, if there's a new big one by NBC or ABC or CNN, something like that, they're probably going to pay to have it towards the front. But those third-party apps that you may not be that familiar with or don't have the funds to pay to be on that homepage are going to be at the bottom. So this is where you're going to get all of those really cool free apps that are out there. And guys, these apps are going to be the newest ones out there. So what I usually do is I'll just test them out. I'll go through and I'll try a few of them. And if I like it, I'll share it with you guys. And one thing I always suggest is look at the ratings. Like this one here is a 1-star rating. There's only one rating. Yes, you could try it, but I don't know. That's not very good. So I would kind of go through where this one's a little bit higher. Bigfoot TV, not so good. You just look for a live stream of Bigfoot documentaries. But you can go through each one of these and look at the ratings. So this one's 4 stars. It's got drama, movies, and TV. It's by Fossum, so that's a fairly big company. Probably going to have ads within it, but it's an option. So this is where I find them. I know this is a quick video. I just wanted to share with you really quickly because I get asked all the time, where do I find these new apps? They just added a bunch of new ones and I wanted to make sure you knew where to find them. Hope you enjoyed the video. New to my channel, please do subscribe. Any questions, comment down right below. Thank you. Bye.